Rucha as well. Rucha, I want to talk to you a little bit about the Shiv Sena. You know, the debate around Shiv Sena we thought will also get settled with the results of these elections, but it's become a bit more confusing, isn't it? Because even though Shinde Sena is part of the winning alliance, that's Mahayuti, but if you look at its strike rate, it's definitely much lower than Uddhav Sena. And if you look at the results also, Uddhav Sena seems to be doing much better in Mumbai specifically.
Well, clearly, Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena was expecting more seats. In fact, they had claimed that they will get century when the Bharatiya Janata Party is almost near making victory. But for Eknath Shinde, they are not seeing as good response as expected. They had claimed that they will bring more seats than UPD and MNS combined. But what in reality we are seeing is completely different picture. People of the South Mumbai, Central Mumbai have not accepted Eknath Shinde, but in some pockets of the core voter where the UPT usually gets elected, the undivided Shiv Sena almost dominated. Those some pockets are definitely captured by Eknath Shinde. And to highlight this, one of the key location is Worli. Worli is Aditya Thakure's assembly constituency, and out of the 7 the seats, one of them is won by Eknath Shinde's party candidate Vanitha Narvankar. And currently the celebrations are underway, and across Mumbai we are
right. We can see how celebrations are going on in Worli with Gulal. Rucha, thank you for your inputs on this particular story. We are getting some more inputs at this point in time, and we are getting to know that Maharashtra Minister Nitesh Rane has in fact revived his penguin attack. He has in fact written a post as well, and he has said Jai Shri Ram to Uddhav Thackeray and penguin. So this is the latest update that we are getting for you. What we are going to witness is, of course, politics on the results that came out today. Heading into a very, very short break, we'll be back